What's the most lucrative illegal activity in the world? Drug and weapons trafficking. But second to this is human trafficking. Human traffickers, aka modern-day slavers, make an estimated $32 billion a year. That's about the same as Apple's and Microsoft's annual profit combined. You might say, slavery, didn't that end with the Civil War? No. 30 million. That's the number of slaves in the world today. Guess that makes the transatlantic slave trade of back in the day just a drop in the bucket. But who am I to talk to you about slavery? Well, I'm Courtney. I'm just your run-of-the-mill singer-songwriter worship leader, not an expert, but I learned about modern-day slavery and became impassioned to put an end to it. My friend Jonathan Walton and I are committed with New York City Urban Project to increase awareness about this issue and many others, and to connect people with opportunities to take action. Step 1, knowledge is power, and I recently realized that there are many people who know very little or nothing about modern-day slavery or human trafficking. So allow me to share. Every day, men, women, and children are tricked, kidnapped, sold, and born into slavery around the world, including in the United States, our country. And the slavery occurs in a variety of forms, including forced labor, debt bondage, sex trafficking, child labor, and child soldiers. In a world that we enjoy freely, they are being acquired, held, and exploited as property and a hot commodity. So this is some pretty intense information to take in, but we can take one step at a time to learn more and respond. You did not just watch this video meaninglessly. Take action with us. Here's how you can start making a difference. Spread the word. Post this video to your Facebook, Twitter, or blogs. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and check back next week. And take the survey at slaveryfootprint.org to see what role modern-day slavery plays in your life.
I'm taking a stand. I'll take it no longer. The sentence you're under, I'll fight for its end.